Hey, Elsie. What did you do? Did you get a little muddy? Can you show everybody how dirty you are? Yep, all up there. A little bit on the... Oh, don't touch the camera. You're too muddy. Oh! And you want to show everybody the hole you dug? Right there? Can you dig a little more? Is that the hole you dug? Yeah. Yeah, you got pretty gross, didn't you? Hey, Elsie, can you smile? No? Are you shy? Elsie just learned how to walk a few days ago. And so when I put her in the grass over there, she found her way over here. Didn't you? Yeah. Did you jump out the water can and find all the water? Oh, honey, don't sit on my plant. Here. You're gonna get filthy. Come get filthy over here.